COVID-19 pandemic has changed the way that our educational institutions are forced to apply to implement teaching and learning. We have now many technologies that can be tapped to conduct online classes. However, this requires a careful choice of the technologies to combine by picking up only what fits the teaching strategy that the teacher wanted to do inside class for a particular lesson. This is where the big challenge to change occurs. Every teacher has his own style and teaching materials available by which he is very familiar, and it can be difficult for him to change quickly in learning new tricks. Our Academy portal provides your users a great starting point where all learning content comes together. There are 5 major sections inside the Academy portal which manage all your courses, assessments, exams, quizzes, and analysis of learning outcomes. The course section is where you will create your online courses and build them with text, images, and video. The assessment section contains the test points that measures whether or not teaching is aligned with the learning outcomes. This includes, among others, a personality type quiz like, are you an artist, a born salesman, or an engineer? What career is right for you? The exam section is used heavily for certification and evaluation purposes. It is a serious online exam in which you can pass or fail. Time-based game in which you quickly have to answer as many questions correctly as possible. View, filter, and download all the results from all your test takers. This is where you set the course title, the language or medium of instruction, and the course introduction. Here you write the text for the Start button and others. The first slide of the curriculum page is what a participant sees in the very beginning. The introduction slide is where you write your welcome message for the students. The course end slide is the last page of the course. This contains the parting words or any message that inspires the students. You will find high-tech settings here such as the start date and time of the course, the last day active, or the end date of the course, the maximum number of attempts per participant, logged in with an email address, the time in hours which all attempts should be made by the participant. Note that this figure only works with the invite-only option in the participant data. You can also enter here the URL, the web page, where the test is embedded. Note that this URL is then used by the Facebook when shared. You will find 3 checkboxes and a timer box here. Checkbox 1, force it to be taken in its embedding page. A check mark makes sure that the test is always taken on the page where you have embedded it. Checkbox 2, hide your content from Google. A check mark means you don't want Google to index your content on Google's online quiz creator. Checkbox 3, notify me when a participant finishes the course. A check mark means the student receives an email after finishing the test. Timer box, enter the number of seconds reading the result page before it returns to the start. This certification settings menu allows configuration of the certificates for the course. A PDF certificate can be generated automatically and sent via email when the student successfully completes his exam or course. This allows duplicating a course to serve as pattern for creating another one where necessary changes are applied. This makes faster turnaround to make the online course up and running in the earliest possible time. Here you can configure what information is needed from the participant before the test starts. You may also consider whether to require the participants to log in or not. You may import the CSV file of the participant for faster encoding. This is where the results of the test can be retrieved. You will simply enter the period to search from until a particular end of period. You narrow down the search by the name of the student, or by the date of finish, or by the status, or by his certificate. This feature is important in data management to help make the school's just-in-time delivery of services responsive to the information needs of the student. This curriculum settings page is where the lesson and materials are organized. You can enter here the lesson content, the photo, the media such as audio or video or PowerPoint presentation, the breakout image, the count, the file download and the code box to embed a lesson material from outside websites such as YouTube, Wikipedia, etc. This online education platform administers 8 question types, namely multiple choice, fill in the blanks, free text, small images, medium images, large images, video, and audio.